Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying out this acrylic set that I've been seeing all on YouTube, and the colors were so pretty, so I was like, let me go ahead and try this out because it's supposed to be really affordable, you know. Anyways, so I've used this brand before. I've used their polygel, and I actually really liked everything in their kit except for the clear polygel. I do remember it was a beautiful clear, but it never cured. But outside of that, I've had very positive experience. There's the colors. So I want to try out their acrylic. I really did not have like a set design for these nails. I just kind of did something. But before I applied this acrylic, I went ahead and I laid a very thin clear coat of acrylic because I really wanted to just let when these nails grow out, be able to refill them and file off the color and just do another set. Alright, so let me tell y'all what I thought about this acrylic for real. First off, I thought the colors were really pretty. I'm not really a shimmery girl, but they were just really like pretty in spring, so I was very excited. Y'all know I'm into the blues and the purples, so of course those are colors I picked up. I promise I'm going to start stepping out of my comfort zone soon, but that's just where I'm at. So anyways, the acrylic to the right, that purple to the right, was so smooth and buttery. Matter of fact, both of those in the frame were very smooth and buttery. The colors that I did not like, now this disclaimer, this could be the type of monomer I'm using. If you don't know, I only use odorless monomer, which tends to actually be a little bit oilier. So usually the acrylics are a little bit more runny. However, I just found this new monomer. I tried it out a few weeks ago. I really like it. It's not so oily, but I noticed that it dries pretty fast. So that could be the issue with why I had some of these issues. So as you can see, most of this went on buttery smooth. I didn't have any problems, but I did have two colors that it just dried down way too fast. So I'm not going to say that it was the acrylic because I noticed that this particular monomer dried very quick with my other set when I use a different brand of acrylics. I don't know, y'all. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied. I feel like you get what you pay for. Like, no, it's not as buttery as my favorite acrylic brands. However, it is definitely something that I'm adding to my collection and probably will make another purchase because I mean, you really can't beat getting all these colors for like less than $20. So I'm just going to shut up. It's a yes for me. I'm going to probably rate this like a 7 out of 10. I might even give it an 8 out of 10. So yeah, just sit back and watch and let me know what you think of these nails. And don't forget to subscribe. See y'all later.